Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, saya Fajar Hayu. So in this time, I would like to make a new project on the Codular application or using Codular. So for the apps that I just make is the name is Radio Online Project. So what Radio Online Project is? So Radio Online Project is I make the application that uh, can can give the Quran, can give the audio, or can give the uh, if you press this button or play button, so later there will be audio that is surah al-fatihah, and then uh, will 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 appear. Okay, so but before go to the demo video, or the real application, I would like to give you the what components that I use for this application. So the first, I make two screen. So the first is screen one, that is loading screen. So just a simple like this. I using LOT for the animation loading, and clock. For the time I use two thou- 2000 timer interval, or it's like 2 seconds. And the next for the home page. So maybe if the file from the laptop like this, but later when in the phone is different. So the first, there are three elements or three components in the in app, or in what name, in behalf, that is first the icon Quran. So it means like this application is about surah Al-Quran. And then there is my name application. So I remake the name is from Radio Online to Barokah Radio. So it's more feels like Islamic. And then on the right, right up, there is a profile, image profile. And then in below of the uh, Barokah Radio like this, there is live. So it means the radio is live. And then there is the name again, name application, and like it's like quotes, that is Al-Quran surah apps, not quotes, but it's to describe what this application means. And then in the below again, there is image poster, that is Al-Quran. So it means this is uh, in this time the radio uh, is give the surah Al-Quran, that is Al-Fatihah. And then I give skip again, and then the surah or the ayat that the radio is tell, or is the sound, that is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and then the meaning of the ayat. After that, there is slider one, so it's for you to know this the ayat or the radio is already finished or not, or in what minutes. And then in here, actually there is a time for the minute it's continue, but in the right side is the how many times the radio is doing like that. And then there are five button, and three of them is you can use, but two again, that is shuffle, repeat and shuffle. It's for just for make it the design is good, but cannot you use. For the first is pause button. So when you the first is play button. So if when you press this button later, the audio will will show, the audio of surah Fatihah will show. And if you click the button pause, later the button and the surah will stop. But if you click play again, the audio will continue. But if you press the stop button, and when you click the stop button, when you click play again, it will repeat to the first one again, so not continue like that. So that there is a space like this, and then after the space there is it's like describing the what the surah name that radio give, and then who the reader or who read the Quran Surah Fatihah. This I feel Syekh Misari Rashid. And then there is live label live. So it means the radio is live. And then there is this two button is just for design, not not functional. There is no function. Okay, so maybe and actually there is a background here, but because I use how to say because I use vertical arrangement, so the background is cannot see. You cannot see the background. After that, I will describe for the blocks. The first is from the screen one. The the block is uh, the block like this. When the screen one initialize or when screen one is start, set a clock, so the clock will start and then give the true. So when the clock already 2 second, later will the screen will move to the home like this. So this is for the block at the home page. The first is when the home initialize do or when already in the home page, the players one or the oh wait, I forget to give you this one. And also the last one is there are two elements at two additional element that is notifier and player. So player is to input the audio or the surah Fatihah, and the notifier is for give the notification that is radio is play or radio is stop or radio is pause. Continue to the blocks. So when the button play click or when the button in that the middle one is click, the player one will start. So the surah Al-Fatihah will start, and there is a notifier or there is a notif that radio is playing like this. And then if you click the button pause like this, the block call player one pause. So the Quran Surah Al-Fatihah, the Quran Surah Al-Fatihah will pause, and there is a notification that radio is paused. And when you click the stop button, the call player will stop. So the audio will stop, and then the player or the Quran Surah Al-Fatihah will reset to the zero position or will repeat to the first. And then call notifier show alert notice radio is stopped. So there is a notification again that the radio is stopped. Okay, so maybe only that for the element for I describe you the element or the component that I use for this application. So after this I will give you the demo that the real application with the phone. Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So everyone, this is continue from the last part, yeah, from the before that I already give you or I already tell you the component that I use for this application. So in this time, I would like to give the demo or the real application with the point. Okay, like usual, before we go to the application, we must have the Codler companion application that you can download from the Play Store. After that, you just click if you already download. I'm sorry, spoiler little bit like this. Okay, so when you already go to the Codel companion, if you already open, later you can click the scan QR code like this. Scan QR code. After that, you can even with the laptop before you can go to the wait you can go to the test, and then you can click the connect to companion. Okay, after that you just uh, make the picture or make the QR code is good with the phone. Okay, so like this the first is oh I'm sorry I will repeat first. Before that I'm sorry. Okay, so the first before you have to go to the screen one first like this, screen one first. After that you test, because if from the home later the uh, loading screen will not there is in the phone, so it's like skip. Now, like this you can connect the with QR code. After that waiting first. Nah, it will be there is loading screen. Now after that go to the application. So like before I already tell you, like there is a live but cannot I cannot, that is unfunction or there is no function, and there was a background if with the phone, right, like that. So that is very makes the five is very Islamic. So and then for this the slider is just like this, just for just actually you can setting by yourself. And then this the real or the most function button, that is play button.
أعوذ بالله من
So
الشيطان
when you
الرجيم.
click the button,
بسم الله الرحمن
there is the
الرحيم.
Quran soal Fatihah
الحمد
like
لله
this.
رب العالمين
So
الرحمن
it will continue until the end.
الرحيم
When you click
مالك
the
يوم
pause button,
الدين.
the Surah Fatihah will stop, will pause. But if you just press the pause button, when you click play again, the surah will continue.
إياك
But if
نعبد
you use
وإياك
stop like
نستعين.
this in the right side of the play, when you play again,
أعوذ بالله من
then like
الشيطان
the surah will repeat from the
بسم
first
الله
ayat.
الرحمن
Okay, so maybe
الرحيم
only that, and that's
الحمد
all
لله رب العالمين.
from my radio online project or Barokah Radio. I'm sorry if I do some mistake when I describe or when I explain you about my application. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.